Good morning, everyone. Welcome. It's Liesel here. I hope you enjoyed my channel and my previous videos that I created. Yes, I'm back. Can you believe it? I created two new books this week, and I hope it will inspire a lot of people and they will go and have a look on it, have a quick read on the background to see what's waiting for them. All right, so let me quickly get to it. You all know I created this one. Please, this is a women guide wellness. It helps really a lot. I do have a lot of experience in this field as being a fitness and wellness specialist. I do have a lot of um, I don't know how to tell this. So all my videos are live. Let me just tell this. I do have live sessions. I do have live questions that I answer. So I do see all them. Not able to answer them every time, but I love to answer questions. Love to meet all the nice people. But yes, that book are really really good for our women, making sure you're on your best in which time of your life you go through. Then I created this one. Now, this one, let me quickly show you. Da-na-na. Yes, are all digital books. And that one has over 200 recipes, natural recipes that you can use from your garden to help you with any kind of discomfort that you have. So that's also a very, very nice book to always have with you for in case you don't have medicine or you're in a place where you're not able to reach the pharmacy or a doctor quick enough so that you can help with what you have in your garden. It's also very good for detox in any women, men, it doesn't matter. It's very good. There's 200 recipes that you can choose from to detox and make sure your body is getting the right vitamins, the right things at the right time of your right age that you are in with. Even if you're overactive or you're underactive, you're going to have the right recipe to support your system and guide you through every stage of the term that you're going into. Study, don't study, being a mom, at work, all that stuff. So that's really a book that I would prefer that everybody has one in his house. Um, yes, so I am. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all the feedbacks that I have. I got a lot of good feedbacks. Everybody's loving my books. Please go and buy my book. Please make sure you have one of these in your house. Always, always to have a backup to be safe, especially when you're a mom. That's one thing you need always to be prepared. All right, okay. So, and then, ladies, please, I promise you, it's in audio, it's digital. You can listen to it, you can read it over and over again. Once you purpose it, it's your forever. And remember, it's good for you. It's good for you and your family. It's good for your friends. You can always send it as a gift. So please treat yourself. Make sure you get this. You won't even. I really do prefer this. I do get a lot of good reviews back. Um, I'm so glad I made these two books. If you like me to promote your book, please look in the description down below. You will see all my details. Send me your email address and we will speak and all the information will be sent to you. And I would love to review your book and speak about it on my YouTube channel. Guys, you need to be safe, look after yourself, and speak to you soon. Bye.